Good morning from Mallett Buildings. Once again, my name's Jarrod, and this morning I wanted to talk about our spec sheet. So whenever you call in for a quote or you text in for a quote, go on Facebook for a quote, messaging, or even come in, what they're going to do is they're going to work up your quote, and when they email you your quote, they're also going to email you a spec sheet. Now we have three different grades of buildings. We have the premium, we have the quality, and we have the best buy. Now what that spec sheet does, we have an individual spec sheet for each individual building. What it does is it says exactly what we're going to do, exactly what kind of quality materials are going to be on that individual structure, and exactly what kind of warranties. This is why this is important. It does two things. One, it's going to stand behind and show exactly what products we're going to provide you and what warranties. It also allows you to take and use that, send it into a competitor to get other quotes and make them match it apples to apples. Each individual line item has an area where they can initial, saying yes, we're going to provide this item for you. If you take and end up doing that, it holds their feet to the fire, so to speak. It means that they're going to have to stand behind the quality of what they claim. If they're not going to sign off on it, that's the same as just telling you flat out, we won't provide that item. It also holds us to the standards that we've set also. So if you get a chance, go on mallettbuildings.com, submit for a quote, and they're going to turn around and reach out to you through your preferred method of contact, whether it's phone, text, or email, and they're going to email you a quote after they have a chance to talk to you with that spec sheet. We do encourage you to shop around because we know once you come to our facility, once you take and shop around and send that spec sheet out, there's no one else in this industry that builds buildings like we do, that stands behind them like we do. There's a reason why we're licensed residential and commercial contractors, and most of the other people that take and build these are either not licensed at all or they're home improvement registered. They haven't been tested, they don't stand behind it like we do, and they're not willing to put their name to it. And it makes you wonder, if they're not willing to sign off and stand behind what they claim they're selling you, are they really selling you what they're saying they are and representing they are? I appreciate your time this morning. Remember to like and share, and I look forward to speaking with you again.